What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details with Kenny. Today's video is we're going to talk more about Xpel paint protection film, PPF, why it stands apart from the rest, a bunch of different things we're going to show you here. Instead of talking about it, we're actually going to show you. So Kenny, we got like a little board here that we made up that's going to be like a little test thing. So Kenny's going to cut a piece off here, and then we're going to have him apply it to this piece, and then we're going to take this wire brush I have right here in my hands, and we're going to scratch the crap out of it, and we're going to show you how quickly it goes away. So that relates into your guys' vehicles that we do. You know, would you go up to your vehicle with a ceramic coating or just normal paint and run this across your paint? I don't think so. If you did, yes, we could get it out by polishing, but who wants to do that? So this is one of the many benefits of this film. It's pretty incredible, actually. A lot of other manufacturers claim to have this. I've seen a few that are decent in work, but I've also seen a few that it just was in the film. It didn't go away. So yeah, I mean, Kenny works with it every day as well as an installer, cutting the other guys, done some training with other guys. He'll be one of the trainers when we start our training sessions here, as well as a couple of other guys in the shop now too. But the stuff is pretty incredible. So I guess what we're going to do here, first off, before we do this, because we'll have to change the camera around, is this is the empty piece, Xpel Ultimate Plus. They make it in the Fusion as well. That's got the built-in ceramic coating. We got it in Stealth. That gives you the matte look. We have the Ultimate Plus regular, which is phenomenal film. It's great. They're all the same across the board except for the Fusion. Like I said, it's got the built-in ceramic coating. And then we have, this is 8 mil, and then they have a 10 mil, which is a little bit thicker for more protection. So Kenny and I are going to take this here, and watch me not get this right. You know, I'm going to have you do that, Kenny. So
not easy.
No.
Some of them, the cut edge, aren't fun either.
There you go. Alright, so that's the film. Okay, so then we take this film after we get it all cut out with our software and whatever part's going on the car. The car is already prepped and ready, and then we lay down a slip solution. Some guys like to use soap and water. We do that very little here, but we use a gel solution that's got a proper mixture and stuff. So when we lay this down, it allows us to take this film on a hood or whatever panel and move it around. But the stuff is pretty, just to show you, this stuff is...
You'll have a hard time breaking it in half.
Yeah.
Unless you actually rip it or penetrate it, you're going to have a very hard time.
So you can only imagine, and then if you go, I mean, it's just, it's just incredible. But so rock chips, the whole 9 yards, bouncing off of it, light scrapes or scratches, which we're going to show you here in a minute. One of the things I also like about it that people don't talk about, built into this film, how they got the layers of this that's being built is, so when a rock, this is on your hood and a rock hits this, some of the old film back in the day with 3M and stuff, when it would hit, that it would basically, you know, the rock would still eject off the vehicle, but it would hit and you'd see the mark in the film. I find with Xpel, you will still see some marks. I've seen it actually rip and tear, but we've also known what hit the car, and they were it was large, an object. But 99% of what we see on our own cars, clients and customers, is this stuff is also built in. So wherever that object is hitting in this, in the membrane of this film, if I said that right, what's the word I'm looking for here, Kenny? It takes it and spreads it out over a wider period. So when an object hits it, it's not just going bam. It's actually, this film is absorbing the impact and kind of stretching it out in a certain area wherever the impact is. I hope I'm making sense on this, but that's another benefit of it right there. So the stuff is just, I love the stuff. It's just amazing. It's your only true protection. So Kenny has got a piece laid out here on this backboard, kind of like, you know, pigment colored.
Metal backing.
Metal backing. He's laid a piece out here. It's hard to tell that it's on, and that's what you want. And I'm going to take this wire brush right here, and we're just going to go over it and scrape it all up. Now I'm going to have Kenny go get this camera, and he can focus in on this. All right, so this is the film here. Starts from my finger, goes up to here. It's a big square. All right, so is it picking up the scratches?
Yep.
Okay, so these are all the scratches I just put in it. Keep going back over it. Check that out. So imagine doing that to your paint. So now if you've done this to your car with the paint protection film by Xpel on, you stick it out in the sun about 3 hours in direct sunlight and heat, this is all going to go away. For some reason you want it gone immediately, and this is what I like. You're just going to take your hair heat gun or hair dryer. I'm just going to slowly. I don't know if that's picking it up and showing it disappear. Yeah. I hope the camera's picking this up. We can also demonstrate this to you in person. But that is gone. All those scratches. And those come from things that are rubbing up against your car, also things that will washing and drying process of your car. You're going to get them, I call them love marks, people that are trying to take care of their vehicle. But every time you run drying towels over your vehicle or washing, if you get any, don't get all the contaminants off your vehicle, make no mistake about it, you're dragging this across and it's going to start having swirl marks and light scratching and stuff like this. And nothing truly works like this, wouldn't you say?
I've found nothing like it. No ceramic's going to do that. A lot of people like to advertise ceramic coatings are pretty much what Xpel is, and they're not bulletproof by any means. They'll give you a good shine. They will give you a protectant, but that's also if you buy the proper ceramic coating.
And you maintain it properly.
Maintain it properly is another big one. That's
the big thing. And so we wanted to show you guys a little bit on this here, and we also will do this in person and demonstrate. I will even take it to one of my cars that's fully wrapped and show to people. It's not just that we're putting on a piece of backboard or anything like that. The stuff truly works, and in our opinion, through our research and everything, we've used other films here. I've spent thousands of dollars in trying other films, trying to give people a more entry-level cost to get some protection. And I've got boxes I'll show you that we won't use, or we use, you know, for other little things, or if I decide
golf carts, something cheap like that.
Yeah.
But as far as paint protection film, Xpel really is bar none. I've seen no self-healing properties like it. Like you said, we've spent a lot of money going through a lot of different films, and they kind of still sit in the back of the room in a box because Xpel's been the best, and we want to provide the best product for people's vehicles. So.
Well said. Thank you for getting my words out. This is why I like working with Kenny on camera. You're going to see a lot more of us both going.
Been a little while, but we're getting back into it.
Yeah, we've been crazy. We're growing. So we're going to. Our goal is to have produced 2 videos a week, YouTube, Facebook, and stuff like that. Wanted to touch point 2. Check out our new website. It's up and running now, live. There's a few little more things that go to it, but it's very user friendly. Lots of information on Xpel, on window tinting, on coatings, all of our services. Again, we're still working on some things. All of our videos are going to be downloaded to that as well, which are up and now. Photos, one thing we do different is, you know, you see some websites being built like this in the car world, and they're using all these photos of cars. Every car, I believe that's up now and going too, I believe.
It should be. We're in the process of making sure every photo on there is of the vehicles that we do work on. There may be a few on there still of some stock images, they call them, but we take pride in being able to work on really cool cars, and we're very lucky to do that, so we want to display that on the new website. But a lot of options on there, all the newest videos, like Brian said, all the newest social media content, ways to get a hold of us, whether you want to message us or give us a call, so pretty user-friendly, I'd say.
We're going to have that, and then, so we've done that, and then my next thing is real quick on this one here, is why Xpel is so important. The new the problems that we're seeing across the board on new cars coming in.
It's crazy.
We have several. We have stuff that we're opening the hoods to do a full wrap and tuck the edges, and paint's coming off. Brand new cars with 100 miles on them, then and it's not because of improper care or anything like that. It's just one of the vehicles we have out there.
It's not because it's a cheap vehicle. It really doesn't matter what you spend. I mean, we're seeing anything from your $30,000-$40,000 new car up to $150,000 with the same defects, the same paint quality, which usually isn't very good. And that's why they're bringing them here to wrap them. Especially Tesla's a big one.
Yeah.
We get a lot of Tesla customers. The paint's just known not to be good, and it's pretty hit or miss too, though. So.
True, because we've seen some that were really, really good. So that's up, but have them checked out before, and even if you don't use us, have them checked out. We have clients that's come in, bought brand new vehicles, brought them here, and they're like, after I got it back, I'm looking at it, and we have videos on that too, and we're going to keep showing more of it. They're horrible, and a lot of these panels you can't even polish out. And I know there are going to be some rock stars out there that said, oh, we can do anything. I guarantee you're going to burn through it. That is the next thing you're going to see that's going to start happening with detailers nationwide. Unless they're educated, which there's a lot all around us here and all over. But you've got these mobile detailers that are coming out, and some of them are great and understand it. But there's a huge majority. You've got new guys coming in. We need new people coming in. This is a growing market, and it's getting bigger and bigger. This is, especially paint protection film, it's the way of the future. It's just the way it is. Trust me when I say that. It's happening every day. But you're getting guys out there, and they get a polisher, and they start polishing, and they, not because they don't care, but they just don't know maybe, and their prices are attractive, and so you're trying to get in a low budget, but they're doing you no favors, because I see it every day. We hear about it. It's all over social media. People are burning through paint on brand new vehicles like that. That's why you have to have the proper equipment, the knowledge, realizing that nothing is perfect. I don't care what anybody says. There is nothing that is perfect. I don't care what car it is, how much you spend on it. It's not perfect. There's areas that we're going to be able to find and show you where those areas are. And there's nothing that can be done unless you want to spend a ton more money to have that repainted, and who wants to have that on a brand new car? That's where paint protection foam comes in.
Protect it, seal it, don't have
and
to
you're
worry
done with
about
it.
Yeah.
And then if you have to remove a piece over years and years down the road because it gets, the little nicks and stuff like your bumper paint does, it protects that. Then we just have to pull off that one piece and reapply it. We have kits starting at what, $290. Yep. We can do just front bumpers. We can do just headlights, wear and tear packages, custom packages, full vehicles. Do it all. Just get yourself educated. Give us a call. Come in and talk to Kenny, Jay, Cody, Jose. Any of the guys are well versed in it. We can show you at all the times what's going on. So that's kind of what we wanted to talk today about the paint protection film on that. And then we're going to be doing another video realistically tomorrow for the end of the week. That's why I've been getting this stuff up here, because we're so busy. Kenny and I are always trying to find the time to get in here and do this. But we're going to start breaking down ceramic coatings, what we believe in, not saying they're the best, why they're better than most. I'm going to be touching on the hype of all this ceramic coating. A lot of hype, they've got pictures now on social media. Oh, we just coated this with Underdog is the new one. And we're lighting the hood on fire, and then look, we're spray painting your car, and look how easy it wipes off. A lot of that is false, a lot of it's faked and tricked, people don't realize, but it works because they're going after a certain crowd, all right? And people are charging premium dollars for that. So our goal here is just basically to start kind of being honest and telling the truth. And
we want to build a relationship with customers. We're not in to get you for your quick $400 or $500 and never see you again. We want to take care of your vehicle. We want to maintain your vehicle and build a relationship. So
exactly, and that's what we strive on every single day.
Yep.
So our next video that we're going to be putting out too, wait for that to come. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to read this. But we're gonna talk about all those things, what we use here, why we use them, our belief on ceramic coatings. There is a good time for them, and then there's a good time not. We'll explain that as well. Then we're going to be talking how to keep your car looking tight and clean once it's done. A lot of people aren't educated on that, even the people that want to wash their cars and stuff like that. So we're going to get in all of that maintenance to teach you guys how to have your car looking as awesome as it can all the time for longer periods of time. So I think we've covered everything, don't you?
I think so, yeah. We're just trying to get more into the tutorial stuff, actually showing you guys our product, showing you guys what can be done. And I'd say, if there's anything you guys want to see, definitely let us know. And
give us a call at
try to make that happen.
219-628-0288. And as always, love and happiness. Peace.